In today's job market, it's not uncommon to be asked to submit a CV or digital portfolio when applying for a job. In this training session, you are going to learn how to create a free Google Sites portfolio to share with prospective employers. In order to create a Google site, you will need to add Google Sites application to your Google Apps home screen. Log into your Google account. Click on Google Drive and make sure you have the files you need in your Shared with Me folder. In the upper right-hand corner of Google Drive, select the waffle icon. Scroll down to the bottom of the menu and select More from Google. A product news window will appear. Scroll all the way down to All Products section and select the Sites icon. The window will open to the Google Sites user interface. For this training session, we are going to use the portfolio template. Before we make changes, we will publish the site. Click on Publish. You can leave the default settings and click Save. At the bottom of the next window, you can click View My Site. Your site will open in the new window. Return to the previous window. You will now be able to update your new site with your personal information. At the top of the window is Your Name in a text block. Click on it. A line will appear for you to enter your name, and below the line is an Add Logo button. You can upload an image from your computer or select an image from a URL, image search, photos, or Google Drive. Select Google Drive Shared with Me. Double-click on the Screencast Assets folder. Double-click on the icons and choose Hot Coffee Logo and add your name. Next, go to the header block of text and update the information with your name, your role, and your location. Next, adjust the photo to make it smaller, then select the header text and extend it closer to the photo. Continue to tweak the header text until you have a nice balance. Next, select the photo. Click on the hamburger menu, replace the image and select Image. Go to Google Drive, click on the Screencast Assets, and find the picture of the barista. Then go to the assets under the selected work. Click on the asset and then click again. Go up to the settings icon and select the file type you would like to use. Do the same for the video. Now go back to the first box and select an image. Select the bag of coffee beans. On the second image, choose the pouring cup of coffee, and on the third image, sitting with a cup of coffee at the computer. Change the captions of the photos, and then go down to the next row of assets. Click on the middle asset, which is an image, and delete. Select the PowerPoint asset, extend the side to the right. Select the video asset and move the left side to the left. Leave a column space in between the two assets. Select the PowerPoint icon and then choose the coffee presentation PowerPoint. Then on the video, select the video icon, go to YouTube, and type in a search for short coffee video. Select the second video from the top. This will load the video into the placeholder. Change the caption for the presentation to be Coffee Slideshow, and the video caption to Coffee video. Go to the box beneath the Get in Touch with Email and click on Layers. Choose the layer in the top left corner. Click on the plus sign. Select Maps. The map will open. Insert your address. Click on the text box next to the map and put in Contact Me. And in the box below, put the address. Move the map box up below the Get in Touch at email address and update the email address to your personal email address. Scroll down and select the box at the very bottom and type in a short description of what you do. Scroll through your page, and when you find a box that has no information, select on the trash can and delete it. Once you have cleared all the empty boxes from your site, select Publish and publish your site. After it finishes publishing, you can select the preview icon at the top of the page and view your site in a web browser, a tablet browser, and a mobile browser. This is the end of our training session. Let's go on to practice.